This old guy DIY video has to do with installing a Magpul PRS Lite stock on a friend's AR-15. So the install is actually the easiest I've ever done on a gun stock. So all you do is remove this one bolt. It has a plastic spacer on it. The piece that receives it on the backside is metal. So after removing that bolt, you simply slide this stock onto the Spec buffer tube. Once the stock is in place and it's butted up against the nut, you just put that back piece in, then take the plastic spacer with the bolt, put that here in the front, and tighten that up. I watched a couple of videos where people said that this did not mate up well to the back of the receiver. In my case, it went on perfectly. And then to adjust the length of pull, just take an Allen wrench and put it in this hole. Then you can slide that in and out to whatever length it is that you prefer. And if you'd like to adjust the comb height, you use that same 5/32 Allen wrench. Just come in here. If you put the short side in, it works just fine to make the adjustment. You can see the screw head there. In my buddy's case, he's pretty tall with a long neck, so there's no need to do anything with the comb. After a couple of trial and error deals, he ended up settling on a length of pull of about 14.5 inches. And this is what the final assembly looks like. Installing the stock and making the adjustment for length of pull here took approximately 7 minutes, including filming. So it's a quick, easy application. It seems to be robust, so my buddy's happy with it. We'll call this application a success. So the reason for him researching and buying this stock is he had an old style Magpul fixed stock on here with a limb saver recoil pad on the end to add more length of pull. When you look at the cost, combine the Magpul fixed and the limb saver pad, you're looking at about $90. And he bought this PRS Lite stock online for about $90. So here he just has one piece of equipment. You don't have to screw around with the pad. It's not going to fall off. It's not going to add more bulk in the case. And he decided this solution may work better for him. So he's chosen to effectively replace this stock, and that one, as you see it, provided about a 13.5 inch length of pull. By coming down to this one, he now has a 14-inch length of pull, which is more comfortable for him. And when you consider the limb saver pad that he had on this one to get the extra length of pull, the cost is the same. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.